Guys, I hope you are doing well. Earlier, I made one video where I deployed the Hermes agent with OpenAI Codex and Telegram, and I shared my real experience. Now, after that, I was able to start communicating with my Hermes agent in Telegram through voice. I sent it a voice message earlier, it didn't reply to it. So, what I did, I went to the cloud terminal that we have over here and I basically gave it a prompt. How can Hermes start replying to my voice messages? So the chat isn't here for me to show you because that old session, I think it expired. However, the thing is that it gave me a complete long list of steps that I had to follow. Now I could have started to follow those steps, but the thing was I asked it again that can you do it for me. It went on and it started doing its stuff, and ultimately it gave me a message that I can now start communicating with my Hermes personal assistant over voice message. So then I gave it a voice message and it pulled in some Hermes agent skill, and it basically gave me the answer but in text. Now the thing is I'm no expert, but I'm learning and sharing it with you guys. And if you haven't seen my previous video, you got to see that to understand how we came till here to the point that my Hermes agent can now reply to my voice messages. So what I will do is I'll try to show you that when I give it a voice message, how it responds to me. Okay, Hermes, can you please tell me if you prefer a voice message for the above questions, or should I go ahead and write it out all for you? Which one would you prefer based on the fact that we are going to develop a working relation, and guide me accordingly. So you see, here's the message and it shows typing over here. It got me elated, guys. It got me elated. I was super excited when I saw this. So it's typing, it's gonna give me the answer. So you see, voice is totally fine and probably best for the first pass. Here's what I recommend. Send a voice message for the big picture context. Use voice because it's faster, more natural, and I'll pick up your priority style, how you think. Don't over prepare it. Just talk casually. Okay. So I'll structure it afterwards. Your goal, work style, current priorities, how should I assess you? Then we can refine. After I summarize your profile, you can correct anything. So guys, aim for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, this is what it says. So I think like this is game changer, guys. I can use my mobile, the app Telegram over on there. I can talk to my personal assistant on the go, guys. And I wish I could have showed you what went down over here, but it was kind of this sort of technical stuff, and Hermes was doing its thing by using chat gpt. Since I hooked this to Hermes in the previous video, I showed this. So now after like 4 or 5 minutes of processing, it turned on the voice messaging for Telegram. So I was quite excited, but the thing that happened here, it is not like pretty important, and I think what matters is that we got it done. So over here, once you hook Telegram to it, as seen shown in my previous video, after that you can ask Hermes agent to activate voice messaging with your Hermes bot. And by the way, guys, I bought the VPS from Hostinger, and all the other referral links that I came across, they gave the price of somewhere around 124, which is what I paid. But then once I had Hostinger, I had my own referral link. So I don't know why, but it gives 20% discount. Meanwhile, others are giving 10%. So if you haven't bought VPS hosting yet, I think you should go with this one. Just select the KVM2 plan. And for myself, I selected the 12 months, but the more you select, the better price you can get. But 1 month is like fine if you just want to try it once, but 12 months is fine. Don't go for 24 months. I don't recommend that. It's a very long commitment. And over here, Hermes agent, it will be automatically selected. If it's not, then you can come over here and type in Hermes, and you can select the Hermes agent, which I selected, and then you can continue and save some $14. And it will be important if you watch the first video, which is gonna be on the screen right now, and then you can have your own personal assistant in Telegram hooked with your ChatGPT subscription.